Different types of images formed by a concave mirror. First case is when the object is placed between pole and focus of the mirror. तो यहाँ पर इस डायग्राम में this is focus, this is pole और ये ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड है, तो यहाँ पर इमेज फॉर्म होती है. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म्ड है, बिहाइंड द मिरर फॉर्म होती है, वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट होती है, larger than the object, that is magnified. Second case is when the object is placed at the focus of the mirror. Now in this case, this is focus, this is center of curvature और ये ऑब्जेक्ट है. जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म्ड हैं वो हैं images formed at infinity, real and inverted, highly magnified or highly enlarged. Next case is when the object is placed between focus and center of curvature. So this is focus, this is center of curvature, this is object placed, image is formed here और इसके characteristics हैं beyond the center of curvature, real and inverted, larger than the object. Next case is when the object is placed at the center of curvature. तो ये यहाँ पर focus है, this is center of curvature and characteristics of the image formed, that is at the center of curvature. जहाँ पर object है वहीं पर image form होगी, real and inverted, same size as that of the object. Next case is when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature. So in this diagram, this is focus, this is center of curvature और ये है ऑब्जेक्ट. तो इमेज जो है वो यहाँ पर फॉर्म हो रही है और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है इमेज की. इट इज फॉर्म बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, it is real and inverted and it is smaller than the object. Next case is when the object is at infinity. So in this case, this is focus, this is center of curvature और जो object है that is placed at infinity and the image is formed here. So the characteristics of the image are, it is formed at the focus, it is real and inverted, it is much smaller than the object.